Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 19th block, which is our mineral resource, isn't it, children? So, in this, we have learned the types of minerals, uses of minerals, and also how these minerals are distributed in our country, isn't it, children? So, next topic, the fourth topic is need for the conservation of minerals. Conservation means preventing the wastage of natural resource. Conservation, okay, conservation means preserving the natural resources so that it is not wasted. Okay, and why do we need to do that? Because these minerals are natural resource and they are limited. Okay, they are limited resources. That's why we have to use it properly. That's why we have to conserve it properly. Okay, why why it is not limited? Why it is limited means, to a mineral to form, it takes longer period of time, children. It takes about hundreds of years to make, to form that mineral. Okay, that's why we say these minerals are limited and we have to preserve them, conserve them. Okay, so that the future generations, the next generation people can use those minerals. Okay, so for this we have three methods to conserve the minerals. First is reclamation. Okay, the first one is reclamation. That means with some methods, with some scientific developed methods, we will get to know how much of mineral is present at this point of time, so that we can plan how to use that mineral properly. Okay, like we can have that best plan so that we can use it properly, so that we don't get the shortage of that mineral. Okay, that is reclamation. Okay, next one is recycling. Recycling means reusing. Okay, so when a mineral is shaped into some material, like for example, it might be a desert color, or it might be the parts of cars or vehicles, what we can do is we will use that for some period of time. After that, we can take it back, we can separate the minerals from the other particles of these, we can melt it, and again make a new product like tools or wires. Yes, so if you melt and you do it another, then it becomes recycling. Okay, that is a second way of conserving the mineral. Okay, next you have substitution. Substitution means using other product. Okay, for example, we have learned that the electricity is produced by burning the coal, isn't it? Instead of that, if you take the help of a sun or a running water. See, running water is a continuously you will have, isn't it? River, because of the water cycle, because of the snow, the rivers will be always filled with water, isn't it? So if you take help of that moving water, that running water, or with the help of sun, then the instead of coal we can use these things to produce the electricity. So this is called substitution. Instead of coal, we are using something which is unlimited. Sun's light is unlimited, water in the river is unlimited. Yes, sometimes in southern part of our country, southern rivers get dried up in summer, but other than other seasons like winter, rainy season, then the water is full, isn't it, children? So with that also, if we produce the electricity, then we can we can use this coal for other purposes, isn't it? So this is substitution. Okay, so in this way we can conserve the minerals, children. Okay, so open your social content book, children, and turn to page number 120 and 121. So there you have need for the conservation of minerals and methods of conservation of minerals. Okay, so read that, children, and underline the keywords which I have sent you in the daily schedule. Okay, also write those words in your classwork and homework and learn them, children. Okay, and coming to did you know, children, so we have learned the non-metallic mineral mica. Do you remember, children? So that, for that minerals, India is the largest producer. Okay, India is the largest producer of that mica. and and also it is the largest producer of iron in the third place. It is the third largest producer of iron ore, our country, India. Okay, and it is a fifth largest producer of bauxite, that is aluminium, in the world. Okay, that is your did you know. Okay, children, and read this, underline the keywords, learn them, write it in your classwork, and also if you have any other keywords that you find it difficult, you can use those words also as your keywords, write them in your classwork and learn them, children. Okay, now coming to your question answers. Why do we need to conserve minerals? How do we conserve minerals? Okay, why we have to do, and how we can conserve the minerals. Okay, so we have learned many uses of minerals, isn't it? That means minerals are very useful to us. Yes, and because of that we need to conserve the minerals so that the future generations can use them, isn't it? And how can we do? By reclamation, recycling, and substitution. Okay, reclamation means using newly and highly developed methods so that we can identify the how much minerals we have. Okay, and recycling is using the wastage. Okay, or you can say we can reuse the mineral, recycling. Okay, and the next one is substitution, where you need to use other material, other alternate material, so that you can replace those minerals. Okay, that is your answer, children. Please learn it and write it in your classwork. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 18, S for conservation of minerals. Okay, so with this we have completed with our block, children. So in the next class I'll meet you with the new block. Okay, and the skill sheet also I'll be sending you after the exams, formative exams. Okay, prepare well for your exam, write it well, write neatly. Okay, so all the best for your exams, children. Bye.